So upon further analysis of the communication channels used by Siemens, it became quite apparent that the primary stakeholders include suppliers, customers, and investors. Again, this was evident through the communication channels that they've chosen to use, and in this case, mainly using in-depth sustainability reports, which kind of indicates that they're using a sustainability information strategy. But some of the reports do display characteristics of some stakeholder involvement, especially when looking at the reviews year on year. The general public then were kind of seen as a secondary stakeholder. We do have access to all of the reports through the website, and the reports are quite clear, and they do use layman terms where they can. However, the wording is quite persuasive, and I think that is likely aimed to attract new primary stakeholders such as investors and customers. So the message that Siemens have chosen to focus on is kind of the environmental good that the company is doing. Again, that's quite typical of a company in the energy sector, but they do highlight quite a few achievements such as carbon neutrality and also all the internal efforts they've kind of undertaken to reduce their stage 1 emissions. Moving on to the actual contents of the reports as well, there seems to be some kind of code of conduct for suppliers, kind of showing that Siemens are trying to grow their circle of influence when it comes to sustainability. Finally then, the social impact is discussed, not so much within the reports, but more within kind of blog style posts on the website, highlighting some of the social activities that Siemens have been a part of, or continue to be a part of. And looking at the full triple bottom line, then the economic element is slightly missing in some of the reports. However, it's available in other parts of the website, such as their financial statements. So as an overview, I think the communication by Siemens is very effective. Again, it has moderate intensity, but I believe if their aim is to attract new primary stakeholders and keep the ones that they currently have informed, then they're doing quite a good job.